Stop by and take a look at the 2021 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.